Okay, in the event that you found something that you want to come back to later, so in this case, I found some really cool books, and instead of looking at them right away, I just want to save them for later. So, as you can see on each book listed, you have a little pin. So, I'm going to go ahead and add this item, and you can see that it jumped up to this big one up here. I'm also going to save this one as well. And then I can go back, reset filters, and see that there's some other items here. Um, so maybe I want to add one more thing. Um, we'll try one of these because it has online access. And we'll save that for later as well. So what I've done is I've just created a place where I can go and view these items. I'll log up to the top, go to my favorites, and you can see all of those items here. Now you can see I have some other items in here as well, and they already have some tags, and we can add labels to them. But for the most part, this is a really great way, a great tool to use if you want to save items for a long-term research project that is going to require you to have a lot of resources. You can utilize this tool so long as you're logged in. So you notice you need to be logged in order to come back to these resources. But this is a great tool to keep everything organized in your research.